Yes!
And 3 and 2 and 1 and here we go. Welcome to our February Idea Flood Sketchnote Challenge.
This month's Idea Flood Sketchnote topic is love stories.
Love stories. That's totally different and new than we usually do, right? So what are we thinking about love stories? Like our favorite love story?
Yeah.
They could create their own love story in their head, right? And flood their paper with their imagination.
Yeah, I like that.
Or even like what they love about love stories, or what they like about love stories. Or maybe we have some people who don't even like love stories.
Yeah.
Not everybody likes a love story, right? So they could also tell us why they don't like a good love story.
Breakup stories.
Breakup stories. All right, so no matter which idea connects with you about a love story, take that idea and turn on your thinker.
And your doodle maker.
And your unicorn thingamajig.
And flood your paper with images and words about everything you think of, connect with, are inspired by a love story. Then snap a picture of it and share it out on Twitter using hashtag IdeaFlood. And then we'll gather them up at the end of the month and share them in our wrap-up video.
All Idea Floods are due on February 28th, which is the last day of February.
That's good that you know that, Annabelle.
Yes?
Until leap year! Until leap year.
Oh, leap year!
It's not a leap
I
year.
thought this year was leap year.
No, darling, it's not. All right, Idea Flooders, that is it for today. And remember when you're sketchnoting, there are no rules.
Peace.
Later, guys.
Now that's a wrap. Bye.
Not January anymore, Emma.
Burner.
Mom! Come! Fit me anymore! Hello, people.
Hello.
You are me!